Hello craft friends, my name is Dana and thank you for joining me today. I'm here to share the newest September scrapbook kit from Jolie. It features papers from Uniquely Creative's Boho Picnic. So we'll go through the papers first. It's a 12 by 12 collection pack that you get with 16 double-sided papers, which is nice because you never can have enough paper. Here's some beautiful sentiments, little tags to cut out, and you get a bonus sheet, which is nice. So you have extras to use on all your layouts and your scrapbook albums. First paper is called Willow. I love this because you could put a photo here, and yeah, this is pretty. And then the back is this. I hope you can see these already. This is Frenia. That's beautiful. And that's the back to that one. Then you get Marigold is all these fuzzy cut elements. Look at that. Fairies. Cute little snail. There's florals. I love this. That's going to be fun. I love fuzzy cutting. I know some people don't like it. I find it very relaxing. Here's the back of that one. And then this one's Delilah. This is gorgeous. That would be nice for a layout or album. And here's the back of that one. This one is like one of my favorites. Clementine. Look at that. I love this. You could use this on a layout and build this up with fuzzy cuts and other elements and build it up with dimension to your layout. I love that. And then you have the wood grain is the back. I love wood grain paper. Then you have another fussy cut, iris. Look at that. The balloon, the window. I love that. See? And here's that for that other page. You could build that up. The little fairies are so cute. And then that's the back of this one. And then you get these journal cards, which I always use. I like tucking them into pockets, using them on folios. It's a lot of fun. And I love this. The back of it has these white leaves and a pink background. And then you get another fuzzy cut sheet with all these leaves. And then the back is this polka dot. So that's the papers. Then from Jolie, you get some chipboards. 2 pieces of these floral and these chipboards. Now you can add paint to these, chalk inks, glitter. Sometimes I leave them natural because they're just so pretty. You can use those. I like to cut mine apart sometimes and use in multiple layouts. And of course we have cream of flowers. Who doesn't love cream of flowers? This one's one of my favorites. Look at that. It's all gold confetti centers. I love that. So pretty. And then you get this floral stem. I like cutting these apart and I can use on multiple layouts. And then we have these Uniquely Creative Boho Picnic Creative Cuts. Now these are really fun. We're going to put these together. I just love die cuts of any kind. And I love ephemera, so. Okay. This one is Friends, Party and Fabulous. These are gold foiled. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but they're really pretty. And then you've got Baby Shower. Beautiful birthday celebration. So this actually would be great, this collection for weddings, maybe an engagement album, birthday album. There's so much you could do with it. Perfect, congratulations, blissful, magical. There's another gold foil. And then there's these little vellum pieces. Love, hello, the heart, bride, see a wedding album, party, Mr. and Mrs. So a shower or like a wedding planner would be nice. Or a wedding album. There's picnic, another word. Oops. Then you get all these numerals. So like I said, if you use this for birthday or wedding, you'd have a lot of neat. These are floral ones, and then you've got the gold. And here's another die cut. Welcome. Beautiful. So I hope you order your kits early because they do sell out quickly, and I hope you have fun and just enjoy this kit. We have a lot on the Trace Jolie website. Check out all the products that Kim carries in her shop. And I thank you for joining me. I'll be back soon. Have a crafty day. Bye-bye.